Welcome to the deepest metro station in China and one of the deepest metro stations in the world. The first deepest station is in North Korea, Pyongyang, and the next is in Russia, and I think this should be the third. It is really deep. This subway station you see right here is 310 feet deep, and there are so many flights of stairs to go down this station before you can get to the subway. And today we are going down this station so I can show you guys how many flights of stairs we can go down, and of course so much more. I've got information that it's as deep as 31 stories. That's crazy when you think about it. By the way, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's head down. You can see we are still heading down. It's not easy, but we're gonna head to the end. Let's keep going. finally guys, we made it down here. That was quite a long flight of escalators that we went down, and it's really, really deep. I can only imagine how deep I am right now. And I believe this station is this deep because it's a mountainous area. If you know Chongqing, then I'm definitely sure that you would know how deep Chongqing can be. With all the mountains, all the hills, all the stairs, it's crazy. By the way, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, this is Willene. See you next time.